I tested 3 budget-friendly laundry hampers on Amazon and found that they are very different. Similar in price, but all have very different features. So I just want to share that with you here. So what we have here is we have this one is one that is on casters. It is a canvas laundry hamper. It is got 2 separate compartments here. Aesthetically looks great. It's got a faux leather top piece here, similar to what you would see in hotels, laundry areas, things like that. Then we have this basic, it's sectioned in 3 and it has removable bags inside it, which I will go into detail. This one is a taller, slimmer design, comes in different colors. And then finally I have this laundry basket, which is similar to this one in the canvasy outer material. And it is got 2 separate removable bags, plus some separate smaller bags on the front here. So let's go over them in detail. Each one has some benefits depending on what you are looking for. This one, if you need to be able to roll it back and forth to a laundry room, I think this is a great option if you are going to be moving it from room to room. Just showing you the sizing of the baskets. I have a couple towels in here, so it'll probably fit between 4 to 6, bath-sized towels in each compartment. So it's got a decent size here. This is perfect for a laundry room. I think it's aesthetically pleasing for a laundry room and works great for that purpose. This one and this one are very similar in a lot of ways. And I'm going to tell you, both of these were so simple to assemble. So it comes folded up in a very small box, and it has just a few 6 rods, I think, in each that you just slip in to the corners. So easy to put together. It took less than 2 minutes for each one. This one, on the other hand, while it is sturdier, it's got your metal rods holding it all together. It does take assembly. You've got to screw rods into the bottom. So this one probably took about 15-20 minutes to put together. However, like I said, it's a sturdier thing. It's not going to fold down. So if you're wanting one that you can easily fold away and put away, this would not be a great option for you. If you're going to leave it out all the time, then yeah, perfectly great. However, this one is a little bit slimmer design and a little bit taller than this one here. So both have handles on the side, both are easy to move around, but this one's a little bit shorter and a little bit wider. So capacity wise, depending on what you're looking for. This one has, like I said, it's got the 3 baskets here inside, and this one has 2 that are slightly bigger. So this one only comes in the 2. So depending on what you're looking for, if you're wanting whites, darks, delicates, something like that, you might want to go with this one. If you're using it for multiple people in your house, if it's in a laundry room and you want towels and whatnot, I would go with this one. What I like about this is for in a bedroom, I think it is perfect. It looks nice. It's got 2 large inside removable mesh bags. And then what I like about this is it's got these, I've got socks in here. So if you, for your smaller items or your delicates, I put bras and that in one. So those will be my hand washing items, and delicates you can put in here. You can put socks, you can put underwear, whatever you like on that. So that's great for that. I think this is a great little feature. And this comes with, it's got these little bottom pieces that put in to hold these little pouches in place there. So love that about this. And I'm just going to show you, so both of them have the lid that folds over, and they both have the little buckles here that will hold these mesh bags in place. And I'm just going to remove this. I'm going to show you, because I have laundry in this one, and I am going to show you what the bag, when you take the bags out. So There you go. So you can see it will hold quite a bit of laundry in each bag. It's a nice large handle. So this is great to pull it out of your room and take it to the laundry room. So I'll just leave that one there and then I'll show you the bag size of this one. Like I said, it's the same. It's these little hooks and that hook on. The handles on this one is a little bit smaller. It's a canvas handle on these ones. And this one is more of that waterproof type material. So as you can see, the capacity of these bags, this two, is going to be more than this one. But this is tall and skinnier, so you can still get quite a bit in here. It's definitely going to be able to have a load of laundry in here or more. So yeah, that is how those look. And then just put them right back in there. So I love the fact that it has the removable things for that purpose. If you want bags that are removable, I would go for these two over this one. It's going to live in my laundry room, which is why I don't need the removable bags for that. But for bedrooms and things like that, Midge wants to say hi. Hi, Midge. I would definitely go with one of these two. Now, just depending on how many bags you want in your room and what your space is. For a small space, this is absolutely perfect, and it is more aesthetic to me than this one. This, I think, would be great in a closet because it is a narrower, taller, or if you have a slimmer area to put it in, then I would go with this one. My overall favorite for the price point is this one. I like it because it's more unique with these where you can put delicates on the front so they're not going to get lost. They're not going to get mixed up in your regular laundry and accidentally get thrown into the washing machine and ruined. So that is a really neat feature about this. But you really can't go wrong with either. So it just depends if you want more sectioned or if you want the additional pouches for delicates. Everyone has different purposes. I will be keeping all three. This will go in one of my kids' closets because they have lots of clothes. This was going to go in my closet, and that is going to go in my laundry room. So there you have it. These are all budget friendly. They will not break the bank. They are perfect for what you need them for. Highly recommend any of them. My favorite's this one.